silver on your face. Hold that feeling close. We can leave this place.
Says go, go.